presentation of the abridged version of the Kumtad at Mojojo Festival. What is being performed is what they call the Kangipang dance, and that is performed to drive away the evil spirit that may disturb the festivity. Followed by the torch lighting to signify its final opening. The Grand Parade is celebrated or participated by the residents of Mayuyao with their unique cultural attire. On this occasion, there is much in drinking wine, and while drinking, the elders would sing their ergod. It is an indigenous way of chanting and honorable accomplishments of their comrades.
Manok na yung tandong na. Otomatis mo kami. Buti ng
Okay ng idea na.
Part of the occasions is the conduct of ethnic games competition. That's what we are going to witness is the hangor or the arm wrestling. That's what they call the kung fu or the foot wrestling. Another is what they call the hinugwitan or the siso. That's what they call the spear fight. That is sometimes being showcased during Kumtad at Mojojo to showcase the strength and agility of the warrior during the war in the olden times. Part of the occasion is the conduct of native dance competition. We have the Henanga dance being performed from the central Mayuyao, the courtship from the lower Mayuyao, and the hinut from the upper Mayuyao. That is the courtship dance. That's the Nihinut dance or the third kind of native dance in Mayuyaw, and that is being performed by the people from the other